So for quite some time now, I've been in the market for a laptop to allow me to, make stuff for the channel on the go, and also a nice and compact secondary PC and screen for whenever I need it. So after some searching, I finally settled on this, a MacBook Pro of all things. Despite me being a lifelong Windows user, and I'm very, very curious to see what this experience is going to be like, so join me, I guess. There we go, let's get this puppy opened up, shall we? Oh boy. Here it is. I mean, say what you will about Apple, but they do know how to make, oop, it's upside down, they do know how to make the electronics look sexy. And this is definitely one of those. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have a, I guess this is USB to USB, okay, C to C cable. Cool, is this just like instructions? Designed by Apple in California, made in China. Let's get to the start of the show here, shall we? Because, come on, this is what we're all here for. Okay, so I've quickly gone in, done some prep already on it, and yeah, it's going to take me a while to get used to it, to macOS in general. No right click, no anything, control not being control. Now, let's actually take a look exactly at what I brought here. So is this where yep, this is where I go. Cool. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020 with a quad-core i5, 16 gigs of RAM, Intel Iris plus graphics 645, and cool. What kind of display does this have actually? Because I honestly don't even know. It's a 2560 by 1600. That's like 3K. Okay, so I just checked, and here's something interesting. That isn't a 16:9 resolution. It's a resolution for a 16:10 aspect ratio. So this isn't 16:9, which is interesting, but whatever. It's still a it's still a really nice resolution, and it does look really sharp. The colors do look amazing. Here's my first test. Let's see if I can get OBS installed. What on earth is all of this? And this is the little. This is another thing I need to get used to, the little bar down here. Like this thing over here, this is going to take quite a while for me to get used to and actually use it to its full potential, I feel like. Okay, it's installed. Cool. That is actually pretty painless. What am I doing here? How do I exit out of this? There we go. One thing, however, which I already have a problem with, is the I/O on this thing. Because take a look at this. It has two USB Type-Cs. It has power in, and that's it. There's no other I/O apart from these two Type-Cs. Now, granted, they are Thunderbolt 3, which is awesome. It's really fast, but it's still only two I/O. There's no RJ45, no mini HDMI mini DisplayPort, no audio jacks, no Type A's for like backwards compatibility. It's like nothing. It's literally nothing. So even though I am actually kind of liking this trackpad so far, it is pretty cool. It is still a trackpad. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world. So let's say I was to take the the wireless module for my mouse. I can't plug it in, so I can't use a normal mouse. So thankfully, I came prepared, and I have began the dongle journey. So I have a Type A, Type C adapter, which I need to plug in my little wireless thingy in, and now I'm able to use my mouse, hopefully. Unless they have like, please don't tell me they have like blocked it behind drive or something. Okay, no, cool. I can actually identify your keyboard. And it's asking me to identify my keyboard, even though this is a mouse. Okay, it's not a keyboard. Leave me alone. Okay, at least it works. Right click is weird because yeah, there's no like default right click or whatever on macOS because they're evil like that. And if you want to do like everything different to Windows, I guess. Let's just let's actually try to set up a recording here. That's weird. Why on earth can't I record my screen? I have display capture. I have a display capture source, but apparently it says there's no like screens available to. No screens available to like, you know, capture. Oh, because I need to grant access? Look at this, I need to grant access to allow it to record my screen. Why? What's the point? And if I have figured it out, we should hopefully be recording the screen. Actually, it's capturing audio as well. So I guess there's a good time to see what the onboard audio sounds like. So yeah, this is the audio on the thing you can hear now. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully, I don't know. Actually, here's another thing we're going to test. Let's see what the speakers are like on this thing. Hey, let's check out this channel. I hear it's pretty good. Why can't I use the scroll? Oh, the scroll wheel is... Scroll wheel is inverted. Why? That is so weird. Why? Settings... Why is it only allowing me up to 1080p? Like, this video was uploaded in 4K. Oh, I can pause it here. Cool. That is actually like the onboard audio is actually not that bad. It has quite a lot of bass to it, which I really appreciated, so that's cool. Oh yeah, and when you press X, it doesn't, you know, close the app. No. You need to go into here, and you have to press quit Safari or Command Q to actually quit the app. Why? And why does... I have no idea. Why have 3 buttons here? Why have an X here when the X doesn't close down the window? Doesn't close down the application? What is the point? Why? Okay. I think that this little taskbar over here is gonna really it's really gonna help when making like videos and stuff for the channel. I just need to kind of, you know, get used to using it, I guess. This is gonna get some getting used to. But I am gonna have a full review of this Mac Pro in a few weeks' time when I've kind of learned what it's like. And but yeah, so far I am liking it. It's gonna really take some getting used to, but it's fun. I mean, it's a, say what you will, but it's a MacBook Pro. So definitely let me know what you think of this laptop right here. I guess I've probably gonna get into trouble for calling it a laptop. Let me know what you think of this MacBook here. Let me know what kind of stuff I should really look into for the review, because again, I'm not a Mac person. I've never day drove any Apple device. And yeah, that is really it for this unboxing kind of like first impressions video. So I guess, you know, if you want to support my channel monetarily, then maybe there's my Patreon. It's going to be down in the video description below. Even $1 a month goes a long way in helping my channel. And also look for my patrons Gavin Burns and LKB. Thank you so much, it really does help. Also down there are Amazon links if you want to buy anything from Amazon. Down there is also a link to my Discord if you want to talk to me or about this or whatever else really. And I guess it's really it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, and that. And I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.